Wow, it's a caged vintage elevator. That's awesome. Oh, and it has the crank too. That's so rare to find. What brand is it? Oh, it's an Otis.
So it's a 1912 Otis Birdcage.
That's awesome.
I know. And it's one of two left like this that are still in operation in the U.S. So the other one is in the Del Coronado Hotel in San Diego.
Oh, I've been to there before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's famous. So their elevator is about a third of the size of ours. Yeah. So Mary donated this in 1911. She had two stipulations that it was put in. One was that it be large enough for a casket of 6 pallbearers. So that's why it's so large. It also has a capacity of 4,000 pounds, which is pretty high for an elevator. Today's elevators are usually a lot less, like 2,500 to And then we have these modern controls. These were put in the 1980s, but before that it was controlled by this, and the lever would allow you to move the elevator up and down. But you'd have to manually level it. Yeah, so the insurance company made us put the automatic one in.
Yeah.
So the other stipulation that Mary had is that she'd be the first person to ride in the elevator, but she died just before it was completed, so she was the first person, but it was in her casket. Yeah.
On that side.
Yeah.
A little before 2 o'clock during the week on a Wednesday. And we used to walk to church and do it that day. It wasn't, at the day of the church. It wasn't on a Wednesday.
What was it?
When I used to go to religion classes and when I was a kid. The school used to get let out early, half day, and then the public school kids would go there. But we didn't have any cute little boys.
Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.